You ready
Let's
to
get it started.
Yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. We are here today with the Real Nesters, James and Crystal. And today we got something different for you.
It's part of our couples therapy catalog. So we have a what they call a separate menu on our YouTube channel for couples therapy videos. So this will be in our couples therapy videos. So we hope y'all enjoy these videos. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to our channel. Post notifications on. Also, Real Nesters merch is in the link below.
Let's get it started.
Guys, this is our outro. Thanks for watching all our videos. We got a diffuser going with the peppermint in it. Hope you guys enjoy all our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
Comment below.
ASMSR Whispers.
Great smell.
See you guys on the next video.
On the next video.
Peace.
Love. Peace.